What's up, YouTubers? Here with a 2003 Ford Explorer, and if your 12-volt is not getting any power, let me show you what the first thing to check is. All right, and this also goes for your data link connector right over here, so check it out. What you want to do with the car off, ignition out of the key out of the ignition, you're just gonna come over here to your fuse panel box, and you're gonna pop this fuse panel box off very quickly. Let me set this phone aside. All right, so once we have the panel off right over here, like I said, I used the key to quickly flip that off. What you want to do is come right over here to this little tool and pull this out. This is your fuse puller. So what you want to do is pull out fuse number 17 right over here, which is the 720 amp fuse right over here underneath number 17. Just put it in, slide it in, and then you gently pull that out. Okay, as you can see, once I pull the fuse out, okay, in my case, the fuse is good. That's how you can identify a good fuse, because the bridge is connected up top. But if yours was a bad fuse and the problem was a fuse, you just replace the fuse with the same 20 amp fuse. You go ahead and put it back in. Once you get a proper fuse, you're just gonna go ahead and grab it. And same way as you took it out, just gonna go ahead and slide it back into that slot firmly. That way it's back in, and you'll be able to see that now you'll have 12-volt power. Like, share, subscribe. If you need to put the panel back on, just do it as such, where you slide it on those tabs, push it back in, and you're good to go. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to put your tool back as well, your fuse pulling tool. Thanks for watching.